Hello everyone and welcome for this video. Today we install the Minecraft servers on Linux and an admin web application to control it. All the commands that we're gonna write in the terminal are available on the description, and all the applications like Minecraft, Java and the web application are available on the description. Before start, if you are interested in how I made the admin applications, you can check this video. I explain the process, how I made it. Check that video, it's really interesting for developers or non-developers. During the video, we will have progress bar that indicates the progressions of your installations. Legends for the installations of the Minecraft servers. So before install the Minecraft server and everything, you have to have an operational Ubuntu. I will not explain how to install an Ubuntu. There are a ton of videos that explain how to install an Ubuntu. So for me, I have a Linux server, so I'm already connected via SSH, and I will do every step in the terminal. When you are ready, open a new terminal in your Ubuntu. Before install the Minecraft servers, let's create a new folders, mkdir Minecraft servers, and press enter. And now open that folder. So Minecraft.servers, it's completely empty. So what we have is to curl, paste the URL and --output, and write what I like to do is to keep the version that I'm downloading -21-5.jar and press enter. So it will download the Minecraft server.jar into that folder. So now we have to install the Java versions. So for that is simply sudo apt install opengdk-21-gdk and press enter. And it will download. If I check my Java version, my Java version is the right versions. But if you already have a Java that are installed, let's say a Java.18, you will have to run sudo update alternative --config -java, and it show the Java that are installed. And what we see, I have it selected the 21 versions. But let's say that you have another servers that is not the latest versions and need the Java 19, you will select the right number. For using the Java -18 versions, I will put the number 2, but I want the latest version, so 21. I'm keeping my numbers. We're gonna run the Minecraft server for the first time. So what we have to do is to java --jar the server name, so .server.1-21-5.jar and --nogui and press enter. It's not --jar, it's just jar. But we have a warning errors. You need to agree to the ELA in order to run the server. So go to ela.tsx for more information. So for that, I'm gonna open the ELA with nano ela.tsx and press enter. And I will zoom a bit for you. I will change the value to true. And to save on nano, you have to Ctrl-O enter and Ctrl-X enter. Restart the server. So let's clear the terminal and restart the server. The server is running. I suggest you to enable the whitelist, because if you if you install a Minecraft server, is because you want your friends to connect to your servers. If you forward the port of your servers in your routers, anybody could access to your Minecraft server. So for that, we have to activate the whitelist. So whitelist on and enter. If I want to check who can access to my servers, I can write whitelist space list and enter. So for now, nobody is here. Let's add a new users. So I will whitelist add, and I will add myself. So gdev lab and press enter. So now you can stop the servers, and we're gonna enable the firewall on your Linux. To enable a firewall on Linux, so it's pretty easy. You have to do sudo ufw allow and press enter. And now my servers have that rule. I have a gift for you. We will make a Linux service. Let's create a Linux service. Because it's a servers, I want my Minecraft to start automatically. And for you, I create a service sample. Let's download the Minecraft service in this URL. So curl https://jdev-lam.info/apps/linux/minecraft.service.sample-output and minecraft.service and press enter. And now let's open the file minecraft.service. So now we have to change the usernames to be your Linux username. So for me, it's Minecraft dash admin. So I will replace in every place in the file. So Minecraft dash admin, Minecraft that admin, Minecraft that admin, and last one, Minecraft dash admin. And yes, it's not the right folders, so you have to change the folder to be your folder installation. So Minecraft/server. And because I downloaded, I add a version in the name. I have to put the version, so 1.1-21-5 and save the file. So Ctrl enter, Ctrl X, and now we have the Minecraft servers. So let's copy the Minecraft service into the service folders. So cp minecraft.service/etc/system/minecraft-server.service and press enter. Oh, I don't have the permission, so I have to sudo and press enter. I have to enable it. So simply sudo systemctl enable Minecraft server.service and press enter. After that, I can start service by sudo systemctl start Minecraft-server.service. And if you want to check the log, you have to sudo journalctl Minecraft servers.service and press enter. And you go at the end of the pages. And now what we want is to close the logs, and you have now a Minecraft service that is start automatically when you restart servers or your computers. So now we have our Minecraft service that will start automatically in our Linux, but we don't have an UI to control the servers. So let's say that you want to have the log, you always need to go to the journal.ctl and watch what's happened on your servers. But for you, I made an app and it's available on the description, and it's for Linux. So let's install that web applications. But before download the applications, let's clear our terminal. And we have to create a folders mkdir www. And why? Because most of web application are installed into a www folder. We can download the applications that is available in the description or in your screen. So curl https://jdevlab.info/apps/minecraft. So paste -- output minecraft web server.tar.gz. And now you have to unzip the file to the www folder. So for that, tar-xvzf, the names of your of the Minecraft tar.gz -c www. Go to the www ls, see what's for the content. We see that it has the Minecraft.web servers Linux. We have to make the Minecraft-web server.linux executable chmod +x and the names of Minecraft-web server.linux and press enter. Let's stop our Minecraft of server systemctl stop minecraft-server.linux.service and press enter. So now the web server is ready to run. But before start the Minecraft-web server-linux, you can open the configuration file. So nano config.json. The file contains the information of the web application. If you want more details, you can click into that video. I explain the detail of the configurations. So for now, I know that my servers jar.1-21-5 and I want 2 gig nogui and the servers.property name. So Control Enter, Control X. The application use the 8065 port. And if you want the application to be available into your LAN, you have to activate the firewall rule for that port. Simply sudo ufw hello 9065 and press enter. You can start the application with Minecraft web servers-linux and it will start Minecraft servers. And now I have my logs of my servers and let's connect to that servers. So yeah, we have a web app, a web application that control your servers in your LAN. I have for you another service, another Minecraft service that you can download. So let's close the web application and let's return to the Minecraft.server folder. So cd ... enter. For you, I create another service that will start automatically the web application and the Minecraft servers. Download again http://apps/linux/minecraft.admin panel.service.simple -- put and call it minecraft-admin-panel.service. We have to open the file to fill the right information. So nano minecraft-admin-panel.service and press enter. Previously, we did the same for the Minecraft.service. We have to fill the same information. So Minecraft -web servers-linux and save the file. So Control O, enter, Control X. And now we have the service. So we have to put the service into the etc. So cp minecraft-admin service /etc/systemd/system and press enter. I forgot to do a sudo and press enter. Sudo systemctl enable -admin panel.service enter. And I have to disable my previous service. Sudo systemctl disable minecraft-server.service. Sudo systemctl start minecraft-admin panel service and press enter, return to my navigator and refresh, we see that the Minecraft servers is running. You have a service that is automatically start when you reboot your computers, and it will start the web admin panel and the Minecraft servers. So that's it for the installation part. We complete the 100% of the installation. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to share the video, comment, and like and subscribe if you are not. If you download the services file, let me know on the comments. I hope you a good day and see you soon.